In an age where digital innovation is no longer a choice but a necessity, businesses find themselves at a turning point. But this change doesn't happen quickly nor overnight. It's a long road with its own set of challenges. Join us as we explore the journeys of companies like Porsche, Starbucks, Unilever, and others to learn about their inspiring paths into the digital future. Let's start our discussion into the world of 10 companies with successful digital transformations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Number 1. Starbucks. When it comes to coffee, Starbucks is a name that needs no introduction. But Starbucks also mastered the art of providing a digital customer experience. Behind the scenes, the company uses machine learning technology to study their customers. By examining big data, Starbucks can figure out what customers enjoy and do not like. This gives the company a powerful tool for customizing goods and marketing materials. But it doesn't stop there. Starbucks IoT-enabled machines are essentially data powerhouses. For every shot of espresso, they record a huge amount of information, from the type of bean to the temperature of the water. It's like Orwell's 1984, but in a good way. Number 2. Nike. In the highly competitive world of sportswear, Nike emerged as a digital frontrunner, leaving competitors rushing to keep up. The heart of the transformation is RFID tracking, a technology that catapulted the company ahead. Nike can give customers information about their goods in real time, making every purchase a digital experience. The company uses the power of social media sites like Instagram and Twitter to create a place where customers can interact with the business and other fans. The Nike app, on the other hand, is a digital age gem. It's not just a shopping cart, it's also a personal trainer, a source of inspiration, and a style guide all in one. Nike looks to its customers and makes changes to its strategies, products, and digital projects based on what they say. Number 3. Porsche. The famous German car company Porsche, known for its high-performance cars, has started an amazing journey of change. One of the most important projects is creating a customer relationship management (CRM) system that is state-of-the-art. With this information, Porsche wants to fine-tune every relationship with its customers, making sure every point of contact is optimized. What's the end goal? Customers are happier, which directly leads to better sales success. The company took a risk when they set up the Porsche Consulting Innovation Labs. This isn't a normal unit, it's an independent body full of tech-savvy experts including scientists, software experts, and people who love technology. Together, these teams hold the power of big data, machine learning, blockchain, and the Internet of Things to mold these cutting-edge concepts into practical solutions. Number 4. Unilever. Unilever serves approximately 2.5 billion customers every day and has 300 production sites in 190 countries. In 2019, Unilever made a huge step forward by collecting the records of 900 million different consumers. By using this huge amount of data, Unilever learns a lot about customer behavior, preferences, and trends, which gives it a competitive edge in a market that is always changing. Armed with a lot of data and the ability to use predictive analytics, the company's researchers determined how to estimate demand and plan output more accurately. In 2018, the company introduced 10 new brands based on such data. This quick response to changing market trends and consumer needs shows how dedicated Unilever is to staying on top of the consumer goods business. Number 5. IKEA. IKEA is a great example of how digital changes transform retail. But IKEA's digital progress is more than just online shopping. Customers can now use smartphones and virtual reality to see how furniture will look in their own homes before they buy it. With this new technology, shoppers can try out goods without leaving their living room. In 2017, IKEA made it easier for customers by buying TaskRabbit, a website that helps users to find skilled people to help them put together furniture. IKEA's purchase of Geomagical Labs, which is known for its 3D and visual AI technology, helped advance digitization further. The IKEA Creative App feature lets users turn pictures into 3D models, making it easy to see how new things will look in their homes. IKEA's digital transformation shows that it wants to use technology to improve how it interacts with customers. Number 6. DHL. DHL, a global leader in transportation and logistics, already solved stock management and supply chain logistics. The company made reading barcodes much easier, which cut the chances of making mistakes considerably. But DHL doesn't stop with just one new idea. The company is fully committed to digitization on a large scale, and DHL's bold plan is called Strategy 2025. In a strong statement, it set aside approximately $2.2 billion for this project. The company has one clear goal in mind: to make sure its core businesses stay profitable and grow in the long run. DHL's trip through the digital transformation landscape is a great example of how technology can be used to improve speed and accuracy in a field that depends on both. Number 7. Lego. In 2003, Lego was close to going out of business. Yet, an incredible revival began when the company recognized an emerging category of customers and embraced digital transformation. Today, Lego is a successful example of how this change took place. Lego's plan for the future includes investing in mobile games and apps that blend the physical and digital worlds. With their move into 3D printing, customers can make their own Lego products, which encourages creativity and uniqueness. The company has shown off an app that uses facial recognition to turn pictures into Lego models, and the Lego Boost app, which is made to teach kids how to code. Brand Finance Global says that Lego's shift into a digital company put it on the prized list of the 500 most valuable brands in the world. Number 8. Comcast. Comcast, a big name in media and communications, wanted to change the way customers interacted with them via digital transformation. Recognizing the accelerated digital shift during the pandemic, Comcast reshaped its approach. The company combined product development and customer experience, giving customers a highly personalized trip that was made possible by machine learning. Suggestions for what to read are well suited to each customer's preferences. What makes this transformation stand out is Comcast's careful tracking of its offerings, thoroughly measuring their impact across 8 investments: customer care, technology usage, and accounting. The result is a smooth, cost-effective experience for the customer. Number 9. Spotify. Spotify, a Swedish streaming giant, knows the key to success in the digital age is to keep customers interested. Spotify went beyond just offering music by adding podcasts, live audio, and ebooks to their list of services. But that wasn't all the company did. The first step of the big plan was to completely reorganize teams. What happened? The company created a dynamic organizational structure that expands on creativity and experimentation. Each part of the Spotify ecosystem is taken care of by a different team, with each member adding their special skills to the table. The key to their digital change is this method. It makes sure every product is well designed and focused on making the user's life easier. Customer involvement is at the heart of Spotify's success. Number 10. Netflix. The fast rise of Netflix in the digital world is a lesson in how companies can focus on customers. Netflix established an online recommendation engine that personalized content suggestions based on user interests and availability, eliminating the need for visits to video rental stores. The results were very clear. In 2002, Netflix had 857,000 paying members and made $152.8 million. By 2019, there were 151.5 million subscribers and an incredible $15.794 billion in income. In contrast, Netflix's earlier rival, Blockbuster, struggled with unpopular late fees and eventually faded into history. These 10 companies show how powerful digital change can be. They utilized innovation, customer-centric approaches, and adaptability to not only survive but excel in the digital age. We hope you enjoyed the video and find it both entertaining and educational. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell for more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching.